So I'm back again with the Serpent 989. Just got my packages in today. Still no body. Still haven't put the servo in it yet. But got some stuff. So see what I decided to go with for motor. Decided to go with the 1520 1600 kV. I wanted a higher kV, but I think this should be fine. I'll gear it up, give it a go. If I haven't already, I'll put in some more pictures of the dimensions, or how much of the size of the motor you could fit into this slot. But as you can see, it is a pretty tight fit with the 20. Like there's like maybe a millimeter or so. Yeah, that was the biggest that we could get in this car. You really can't even, man, it's hard to see. If I put a light under it, you could see how much, like literally like a millimeter of room in between the motor and the belt. This is about as big as you could probably fit in here. I wanted to try the 17. 17 is a little bit shorter, but then you lose the ability, to slide the motor from side to side. So it was about as big as we could fit in here, so that's what I went with. Haven't decided if I'm gonna run this ESC or XLX2. What the frick? But I mean, this ESC will fit in there pretty nice as well. I mean, that fits in there pretty nice too. I have to trim these motor wires, and then not sure if I'm going to do the sensor thing or not. But if I do decide to do the censored, I need to figure out how I'm going to get this wire to not come anywhere near the belts. Originally, or what I was thinking, was just to electrical tape it down, which should work. It will have to, most likely the shielding will have to come off. I could also probably use some liquid electric tape, and it will have to probably go something like this. We shall see. We shall see if I'm able to get this censored in here. And I'll try to get everything mounted up and actually get it into this video. And so it would go something like that, but of course be secured to the motor. See if I can get like a way to show it. So it'll be something like that, where this would have to come onto the, sorry, it's not screwed down, so it's gonna just keep coming off. So this would have to be like secured down to the motor, and you can see the belt isn't touching the motor, but it's like probably less than a millimeter away. But this would have to come straight out to the side and stay pretty tight, and then come right in here. This way it's not in the way of the belt at all, or near the belt. I may just have to use zip tie. I really didn't want to put a zip tie around the motor. Maybe I'll wait until I get my fan and then do all this. But it's going to have to go something like that. And I have to just make sure that this lower one isn't going to affect or touch the belt either. Which that one. Let's see what else we got in here. Alright. So get some rear tires. I don't know. I think these are 10 scale. I think my front tires came in this package. There we go. Motor pinions, more tires. I think these are 10 scale too. Yeah, 10 scale wide. Alright, that's it. So I'm gonna mount the tires up and stuff, and I'll be right back. So here we go with the tires on it. Everything has to be set up on the car. But here it is. Just gotta figure out what's up with if I'm gonna run this thing and censored or not, and I think that's basically it. What I'm probably gonna end up doing, just because it's like it's just such a little bit, I probably will try to run this in sensor mode. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is probably put one washer in between the plates and the standoffs to move it over just like slightly. I will look to see what TP has, I guess, and I think it's the 4050 size. 4050, not sure if the 4060 will fit. I know the 4070 is like 100 and something mils. I can't exactly remember what the length is on the 4060 can. It might be like 90, so that one might not work. It might be the 4050 that we can fit in these cars. Alright, guess I'll just finish messing around with this thing for tonight, and I haven't hit the gear calculator, but what I'm thinking for crazy speeds is not geared enough.